Hey, I hope everybody's having a good day. I just wanted to stop in and do a quick video. And today we're making a quick and easy, seriously filling meal replacement shake. And after I get the old Ninja put together, we're gonna add one banana. It'll give the shake some natural sweetness and a nice texture. After that, I add some Orgain protein powder. I've tried other protein powders. This one happens to be my favorite out of all the ones I tried. It's plant-based, which really doesn't matter to me, but it tastes really good. I put 2 big scoops in, and then next, after we put the protein powder in, I use a little bit of powdered peanut butter. This will add classic peanut butter flavor without making the shake too heavy. I use about a little under half a scoop. Those of you who use this know it goes a long way. Next, I'm gonna be tossing in some oats. These will add just some extra carbs, fiber, and some staying power to help keep you full. I put 2 scoops of those in. There's regular oats. I've tried quick oats and rolled oats. These work just fine. And then next, I'm adding a little honey just for some natural sweetness. I just recently started adding these to my shakes. It's pretty good. And then next, I'll throw in some chia seeds. I don't really like the way they taste, but everyone says they're healthy for you, so I throw them in there. After that, we're gonna add some fruit. I use frozen strawberries. They'll bring pretty good flavor and add a little bit of chill to the shake. And then for some extra chill, I add a handful of ice. I like my shake super cold. Finally, pouring in some milk. This is just whatever milk I had left over. In fact, it was almost gone. I would say it's about a half cup. After that, we blend it up. And so recently I've been on like a little bit of a weight loss journey. It's a little bit slow going. And so the guitar player for the band that I play in, he challenged both of us to go 2 weeks on a liquid diet. And at the time of this video, I have officially been 5 days without any solid food. Hadn't been too bad. I feel pretty good. I thought I would feel worse. And if you guys like the nutrition shop style shakes, this is really comparable and tastes just as good as any of those. Also, if you guys like this video or this type of content, let me know. Like the video, comment below, let me know what you think. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day.